Welcome to Steuer, Escovar, and Coleman. Not every workplace injury happens in a single moment. Today we look at how work injuries can develop over time in Ohio, and when they may qualify for workers' compensation. Can work injuries develop over time in Ohio? Yes, they can. In Ohio, a work injury does not always have to come from one sudden accident. Some injuries build up gradually from repeated job duties, physical strain, or ongoing exposure, and they may still qualify for a workers' compensation claim. What is a gradual workplace injury? A gradual workplace injury is a condition that develops over time rather than from a single incident. It can come from repeated movements, heavy lifting, prolonged standing, vibration, or awkward posture. Because there is no obvious injury date, the discomfort often builds slowly before it becomes serious. Can repetitive stress lead to a workers' compensation claim? Yes. Repetitive stress may support a claim when your job duties contributed to the condition. These cases usually depend on medical records that show how repeated movements or physical demands caused or worsened the injury. What types of injuries can develop gradually at work? Gradual injuries can include back and neck problems, joint pain, tendon issues, and nerve compression. They may also involve carpal tunnel symptoms, hearing conditions from long-term noise, or illnesses linked to workplace exposure. What is an occupational disease under Ohio law? An occupational disease is a condition that develops because of the work itself. Generally, the job must create a risk that is different from or greater than the risk faced by the general public. Exposure to chemicals, dust, fumes, or constant noise are common examples. Why does medical evidence matter so much? When there is no single accident date, medical evidence helps tell the story. Records can show when symptoms began, how the condition progressed, and whether a doctor believes the work caused it. Clear and detailed notes about your job duties make a stronger claim. When should you report a gradual injury? You should report symptoms as soon as you believe they may be work-related. Early reporting creates a record and reduces confusion about when your employer learned of the problem. It can also help you begin proper medical care sooner. Can a pre-existing condition still be covered under a workers' compensation claim? It can. A pre-existing condition does not automatically block a claim. You may need medical evidence showing that your work caused a new injury or substantially aggravated a condition you already had. Why are gradual injury claims often challenged? These claims can be challenged because there may be no single accident, witness, or clear injury date. Employers or claim administrators may question whether the condition truly came from work or from another cause. Organized and consistent medical records help answer those questions. What helps support a gradual injury claim? Strong evidence makes the difference. Helpful records may include medical diagnoses, diagnostic testing, treatment notes, and work restrictions. Details about your repetitive tasks and exposure history can also show how the work affected your health. If you have questions about a work injury that developed over time, Steuer, Escovar, and Coleman is here to help. Visit our website to learn more and discuss your options.